Welcome back to the channel. Here's what we're throwing today. I've got my BFS set up. I've got a whopper plopper tied on right now, but doesn't mean that's what we're going to throw all day. In fact, I highly doubt we'll throw it all day. Man, if you keep getting bit on that, I'll have to switch to something slow moving. I don't even know if I've got bit on this yet. Really? Yeah. You know, I thought he was small, but he's pulling like he's a good one. Might be like a gar or something. Not acting like a, oh no, it is a smallmouth. Man, I'm glad I was able to get one to bite on the karashi. I was worried it wasn't gonna work. Hey, yeah, see, he didn't even bite it. He just kind of swiped at it. He's got the hook in his gill plate, not his mouth. I'm literally gonna throw the same exact thing you're throwing, just a different worm. Go for it. That was sick, dude. Oh my gosh, it's still going. Get Skippy. That was cool. Yeah, buddy. That's number 5. Oh, it's a sunfish. No matter, that would be fish number 8. That's a good green sunfish. Pretty one. What color's on that guy? Thanks, buddy. On one. Another little smallmouth. Man, Ethan, he's wearing them out today. I think that's, what's that?
6.
For you?
Yeah, for me.
Yeah, I think I've only caught 3.
Oh, you got 4.
Oh, okay.
We had 8.
That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Okay, well then that's 10 fish in, what, half an hour or less? Are you just kind of letting it sit when you're getting bit? Yeah, okay, good. That's what I was doing too. That's just a giant, oh, that's a rock bass or a warmouth. I don't know which one it is. I'd have to ask people higher than myself because I'm not exactly certain. You guys leave it in the comments. What is that? Is that a rock? I think that's a rock bass. I think that's what that is. Rock bass. Yeah, I can't really tell. There's so many different species in this bayou that it's just hard for me to tell, but I think that that's a rock bass. Seems like it might have been a good decision. Thank God I broke the other one off. Second cast with the worm. Yeah. No, I think this is a largemouth. Yeah, little largemouth. Cool. Well, I'm not exactly certain, but if we're keeping track, I think that's like 6 different species and 14 or 12 fish. Wee. It's a decent fish. He's just running right at me. Yeah. Another smallmouth. He's like crooked. Maybe it's just the way he was in the water. I don't know. He looked kind of crooked. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. Awesome. Another little smallmouth. Those last 3 fish, guys, have come really quick, and they've all been on this. This is a Z-Man. It's the TRD. It's the little Ned rig bait. But this is a green, or it's a green pumpkin with gold and purple flakes. I really like this color the last couple times I've been out. It seems to be something that, I don't know what they think it is, but they eat the crap out of it. I've always liked these TRDs, but I love this color. But anyways, I've got it on a, forget what you call it, Tokyo rig, I think is what you call this, little mini Tokyo rig. Just got like a little straight shank drop shot hook and then a wire down to this weight.
They don't do a deep dynamic either on.
That's nice. That feels like a good fish, dude. Yeah, good one. Oh, it's a largemouth. It's a good largemouth. Yeah, well, dude, I've not been shooting my bow well at all lately. I went out today and shot like probably 25, 30 times just to see if I could figure out what the problem was. I was shooting okay. Like I'm just rusty, honestly. He's just trying to beach himself. I mean, I think that's really the biggest problem is I'm just rusty. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Yeah, it's a good largemouth. I mean, probably a 1.5 pounds. I mean, he's fat. He's eating good. Oh, he's got a big old crawfish in his mouth. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that? Them big crawfish antennas sticking out. That's cool. Well, I guess that's probably why they're eating on these like bottom worms and stuff. It's a good fish for this creek. What the heck? Well, I got to looking, I think, and I don't know this for a fact, but I think it has something to do with the moleskin on my rest. Like because I have a drop away rest, you know? Yeah. So it has like the moleskin on it to keep it quiet. Well, I was looking, that moleskin got all like bunched up and it was like coming off at the back. So I was thinking, dude, like that obviously could have a pretty big effect on arrow flight. Like if it's bunched up real bad. But it was like, once I flattened it out, I shot like 2 more groups and it was a noticeable difference. Like I was hitting where I wanted to hit every time. Yeah, that's what was crazy. Oh, it's another rock bass. That's what's crazy is that like I've always felt like I was a really good shot. Like I've never struggled with my bow ever. And then all of a sudden I get this brand new bow. Brand new, Ethan. I just spent a bunch of money. There's another rock bass, you guys. Really pretty rock bass. It's definitely a different one though. He's smaller, but I'm almost certain those are rock bass. But anyways, I bought this brand new bow and shot it great at the shop. And then like the first time I went out and shot it, I was like, man, I suck. And then I was like, well, I'm just kind of rusty. You know, that's got to be what it is. I'm just rusty. And so I've been going out and shooting, and it's just gotten worse and worse and worse. And finally I was like, today I was like, dude, I have to get this figured out. Cause like I can't go into season and comfortably deer hunt like this. Like I just can't, because it just doesn't feel like I'll ever hit where I want to hit. So I got out there and tried it today. And yeah, I think, again, I don't know that that's the problem, but I think that that's the issue.
I just have to be a wuss like me and use a crossbow.
Dude, these little fish are loving this worm. Oh, there's another green sunfish. Okay. Well, Ethan, the devil dog, caught one while my camera was getting its batteries changed. I think that's number 17, yeah.
He bought a Glock from there.
Uh-huh.
And I went working there.
Whoa. He all of a sudden turned out to have a little bit of fight in him. Oh, you butthole. I guess we won't count it. Love it when they jump out of the water like that. You know what? I'm halfway shocked that we haven't caught one and seen a bunch following him yet. I feel like this time of the year they usually group up and you can If you see one, you see a bunch. Yeah, good little smallmouth for sure. Way to go, E. Carrying me today. Uh-oh. Ooh, yeah, Mr. Smalley. Come here, buddy. Yeah, number 18. Golly, I can't imagine a worse day than floating on a day like today. Another smallmouth. That'd be number 19. Thank you, buddy. That's a better one. Yeah, that's a good thing. You know, I found those at Kenny Nance. All right, come here, buddy. Dude, another good one. They're stacked right here. That's 21. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Oh, it doubled up, E. Oh, is your green sunfish bigger or is my smallmouth bigger? They're about the same. That's funny. All right. How old is Will now?
Will, he's...
Or, I'm sorry, Reed.
He's 11. I always like watching the...
Largemouth. Second largemouth of the day. So that'd be number 25. Be like an otter or something. Sure look like one. Oh, there's a deer. Did you get him? All right, sweet. All right, that's number 27. Dude, if I had my... Get him? Get him in, make it 28. Yeah, he's fighting like a good one. Keep reeling, keep tension on him. Don't let that sucker come off. Yeah, that's a good fishy. Nice. There you go, E. It's 28. All right. 29. Ah, 31. All right, guys. Actually, looks like y'all can see good enough. We may make a couple more casts before we go home, but it is getting dark for us. It's hard to see. But that makes 31. That'd be 32 if I can get him in. Gosh, that feels like a good fish. That is a good fish. That's fun, you guys. It's 32. Awesome. One of the better smallies of the day. Can we get 35? The truck's literally right there. We'll go, instead of going through the water, we'll just go around. And the truck's right there on that sandbar. Was this 33? Or is it 32? No, it's 33. All right, another smallie. That's perfect, Ethan. That's fishing like right back up through the rapids the whole time. Little one, 34. We'll take him. They all count. $35. Nice. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one to end on there, buddy. Good fish. Yeah, I'll get you a picture. Hold them out, E. There you go. There you go. Those are some good ones.